I'm from System Hash. Today I will tell you how to display the percentage of battery available for mobile phone users in the status bar. Though the percentage of the battery is displayed in the status bar of the Android phones by default, if the display is not visible, it can be enabled with a simple step. Let's start. On the home screen of the Android phone, the display of the percentage of battery available in the status bar of the phone is currently not visible. So just tap the settings icon in the home screen phone to open up the settings screen to enable the display of the battery power percentage available. At the settings screen, tap the display feature. At the display screen, tap the status bar. At the status bar screen, see the show battery percentage option is currently gray, that is disabled and inactivated. Tap the gray button to enable the show battery percentage in the status bar. It will immediately change the color of the button to blue. See, with the change of color to the blue will display the percentage of the battery at the status bar. Go back to home screen and see the percentage of the available battery power display is also available in the status bar. For further videos on the Android phones working, subscribe and stay tuned.